Hey guys, welcome back to One Love's Kitchen. Guys, today I'm doing for you this easy under 30 minutes fried shrimp recipe. Okay, so easy. If you're busy, if you're not in the mood, this is like under 30-minute snack. You can have this in no time. All right, so I had some head-on shrimp here. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the heads, remove the shell, clean them, wash them, devein them, seasoning them, fry them, and eat them just like that, and you're good to go. Okay, if you don't want the head on shrimp, you can also get the head off shrimp, which will be easier for you, but I have the head on, so I'm just breaking them off, deshelling them, then I'm just gonna devein them. Right, so to devein them, you're just gonna run the knife at the back right there where you see that little black vein. You're just gonna run the knife, take out the little black vein, and you're good to go. So I'm just gonna repeat the process with the rest of my shrimp. Wash them, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and season these, because these are so easy. All right, so here we go. So everything is done. We're just gonna pat dry these now and just add a little bit of seasoning on this, because we don't need much seasoning for the shrimp, right? So we're just gonna pat dry these, and then we're just gonna go ahead and adding our seasoning. Use whatever seasonings you have at home, whatever seasoning you like to use. All right, so I'm starting off with mine with some garlic powder, because that's what I'm gonna start with. Yes, my garlic powder for my shrimp. All right, so let's go. So starting off with some garlic powder, we're just gonna add a teeny bit of each, because this is shrimp, it doesn't take a lot. Some black pepper, we just go along. And as I said, use whatever seasonings you have at home, whatever seasonings you like to use, whatever seafood seasoning you have, anything that you like to use. There I just added some Larry's, and I'm going in with some cayenne pepper to add a little more flame, a little more spice, some Creole seasoning, and then some sriracha seasoning here for more spice, because I'm telling you, I love the spice. Yes, I really love the spice. I'm just going to go ahead with a spoon with this. I'm just going to use my hand because, it's not like a lot. So I'm just going to use the spoon to just combine everything. So we're just going to mix in everything, so the seasoning is well incorporated over all of our shrimp right here. So yes, you're just going to mix that in until, it looks like it's well seasoned, right? Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, so we're just gonna mix that baby in right now, and then we're just gonna go ahead with our batter process, show you how I made the flouring process of this, right? So let's go. Alrighty, so to start with my process, I have 2 eggs, half cup of milk, and some black pepper. So I'm just gonna whisk this baby until the eggs are whisked, everything is combined with the milk and the pepper and everything. So you see, I'm just whisking away. So this is what I use to fry my shrimp. All right, my deep fry shrimp. So I'm just whisking these. Then I have like a cup of flour here that I had some seasoning to. So my process is, I coat them in the flour first, then I dip them in the egg mixture, then I repeat the process again with the flour. So I go from flour to egg mixture, back to flour, back to frying. I'm going to show you. Okay, so let's go. So there we go. Flour. I just put them aside because I'm trying to do everything at once, so I don't be all over the place, and it's gonna get messy because you're cooking, guys. Don't worry about the mess. You can clean after. Just, it's gonna get messy because if you're in the kitchen, it get messy at time, right? So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to get messy. Don't be afraid to play with your food. Don't do that. All right. So now you see, I put them in the egg mixture, then I'm coating them back again in the flour mixture. So that's my process. All right. So after I do that, I just put them aside, and now I'm just gonna get my frying started. All right. So there we go. Here I have my oil. I had a piece of garlic and a pepper, and I burst my pepper because, as you all know, I like it spicy. Alrighty, so I'm just adding in my shrimp. I'm just gonna put whatever can hold in the pot, and I'm just gonna fry these shrimp like 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. Right? You don't want to brown your shrimp or like having them fry too long, because this is shrimp. You don't want to have them fry until they're dry and there's no juice in the shrimp. You need that juiciness, all right? So after 4 to 5 minutes, I'm just gonna flip this baby. As you can see, they're golden brown, well brown, trust me. They're perfectly cooked, perfectly fried. So yeah, we're just gonna flip these, give it another 4 to 5 minutes on this side, and then we're just gonna take these out. Enjoy these. And remember, if you have like a shrimp sauce, you can use it. You can buy whichever seafood sauce you have for the dippings or anything. You understand? Yeah. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this. This is like a snack, a weekend snack, a fast snack. And if you don't like seafood, you can do this with chicken breast. Yes, you can just do the same process with the chicken breast. So guys, you see, in no time your shrimp is ready to be eaten. If you like them just like this, if you want to dip them in your sauce of choice, go ahead. Just look at this golden deliciousness, guys. You need to try this. This is like, I'm saying under 30 minutes. This is like under 20 minutes snack for you. All right. So guys, like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell that every time I upload a video, you will be notified.